Hi everyone, in this guide I walk you through how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. Let's get started. First, head to your Facebook profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once your profile, click on your name at the top of the menu to access your profile settings. Next, locate the three dots on the top right corner of your profile page and click on them. This will open up your profile settings. Scroll down until you find the option that say Turn Professional Mode Off. Click on this option and then press Continue to confirm. You'll then need to press Turn Off again to confirm the action. You'll receive a confirmation message stating that the professional mode has been successfully turned off. You can then press Close to exit. And that is it. You now successfully turned off professional mode on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Have an awesome day.